In this video, we are going to learn that how we can make 120-degree angle using compass and a ruler without using the protractor. So I need to take a ruler. I'll draw a line over here. I'll draw a line over here. After that, I'm going to take the compass, put anywhere on this line. So I'm putting over here, lock your compass, make an arc. So I'm going to make an arc like that. If you wish, you can complete this semicircle, this arc, you can complete like that. Then there are two ways to make 120-degree angle. First of all, you can make 60-degree angle. So let us make a 60-degree angle. What you need to do in order to make a 60-degree angle, just a second, I think the arc has not been completed. I think now this is completed. So now we need to make a 60-degree angle. Keep your compass over here at one part, right? And after that, you need to make a 60-degree angle. So when you make a cut over here, that is a 60-degree angle. Now, this is a 60-degree angle. What is 120 degree? 120 degree is the double of 60 degree. This is what the 120 degree is all about, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep my compass again on 60 degree. I didn't change the length of the compass. Remember my point. Keeping on 60 degree, I made another cut on that semicircle, that arc, and that is my 120 degree. This is one way to make. Another way is you already know 120 degrees more than the right angle. So you can directly keep your compass over here and you can make cut at that point of time. So the cut would be same directly also you can get that one, right? Either this way you can cut or either you can make 60 degree, then you make 120 degree. So that is 120 degree angle. So click the line. This is your center. Start from the center. And this is your 120 degree, which you can also measure using the protractor. So this is your 120 degree. And this is your 60 degree. Let me make 60 degree as well. So this is your 60 degree. Here, 60 degree, like they didn't told us to make 60 degree, but it's all right. I'm making both of them. Keep the compass protractor like that. You can see this is a 60 degree angle and this is exactly 120 degree angle. So this is how we can make 120 degree angle. We can rub 60 degree angle because they are not asking about 60 degree angle in this particular question, but we need to make 60 degree angle in order to make 120 degree angle. One way or other way you can, like in other way also you can make, as I told you. So thank you so much. I hope you liked this video. If you want to join one-to-one tutoring with Indian tutors, then you are at the right place. The website link is given in the description box.